Our next question is from GATE 2016 mass transfer for 2 marks. Solute C is extracted in a batch process from its homogeneous solution of A and C using solvent B. The combined composition of the feed and the extracting solvent is shown in the figure below as point M. Along with the tie line passing through it, the ends of the tie line are on the equilibrium curve. What is the selectivity for C? Let's start with the solution. Selectivity is given as beta C upon A YC upon YA upon XC upon XA. YC is the mole fraction of the solute in extract. Y is showing extract upon mole fraction of the carrier species in extract divided by molar fraction of Xc is the mole fraction of the solute in raffinate and Xa is the mole fraction of the species A in a raffinate for Xa, right? From here you can see here what will be the YC. Actually it will this part will show the extract phase, this will be the raffinate phase, right? So for extract YC will be actually composition. We need to calculate the composition of the solute C. So we will start from here. At this point, at this line, the concentration of C will be 0, right? Or you can say fraction will be 0. So from this, here will be 10, here will be 20, it will be 30%. So it will be 0.3, right? Again we will calculate the YA. What will be the YA? Since at this line, at BC line, there is a 0 concentration of A, right? From this it will be 10%. It will be 10% only. So we are getting YC is 0.3 and YA is 0.1. Now this point will denote with X, that is a raffinate phase. So Xc will be, again it will be 0 and it will be 1, 10 and 20. 20% is Xc. Xc is 20, or you can say Xc is 0.2. And again we need to know the composition of A. So you can see here, here it will be 0 and it will start to increase 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. It is 70%, or you can say 0.7. Xa is 0.7, right? Beta C upon A 0.3 upon 0.1 and 0.2 upon 0.1. From this we get 10.5. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.